Here comes the big one! I'm gonna get you, demon! Anyways, hello, welcome back. In this video, we're gonna draw the narwhal from Yokai Watch the Movie 3. If you guys aren't familiar with the narwhal, I'd be interested in telling you. You must know the narwhal is the, one of the main bosses in Yokai Watch 3. And, he's actually one of the scariest villains in the movie. He has the ability to turn his enemies into fish. Plus, he's ginormous. He's from the Slippery tribe, and I think some twisted princess wants to use his power for destruction and take over the planet. This took place in that movie when, I don't know what to say, when everything was in real life. Nate tried to stop her, and even, summon a lot of warriors to stop him, like Cheek Squeak, Glaceon, and lots more. So anyways, let's get started. Now let's draw the teeth. There we go, narwhal. Now we just draw the rest of narwhal's mouth here. There we go. Alexa, play Squeeze Me.
Squeeze Me by NERD on Amazon Music.
There we go.
Everybody enjoy yourself. The best part in the middle of me. I'm your sponge, baby, going and squeeze. I'm better than pillows. Wait, you believe me?
There we go. There's his head.
Play together before we melt. Everybody enjoy yourself. The best part is the middle of me.
Now we just draw the rest of his body.
I'm like cute aggression. What you believe me?
Now we just draw this. I think this is part of his body.
So refreshing. What you believe me? Better than your teddy bear. What you believe in? Squeeze me.
Now we just draw the curvy thing on his body. There we go. By the way, we already went on a fishing trip. And I'll tell you more about it real soon. Alexa, play SpongeBob by Avril.
SpongeBob SquarePants theme by Avril Lavigne on Amazon Music.
Now we just draw the clouds underneath his body. There we go. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Go. Now we just draw this thing. There's his body here. There's the tentacle of the cloud here. There we go. Let's draw the rest of his tentacles. Go. And there we go. That's how you draw the narwhal. Pretty ominous, huh? Alexa, what is a narwhal?
The narwhal or narwhal is a medium-sized toothed whale that possesses a large tusk from a protruding canine tooth. It lives year-round in the Arctic waters around Greenland, Canada, and Russia. It is one of 2 living species of whale in the family Monodontidae, along with the beluga whales.
Okay. That doesn't look anything like a narwhal to me. I don't know why his name is narwhal anyway. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. based on your comments below. I'd be interested in drawing what other character you guys have in mind. And until next time, Stegosaurus, see you later.